Hello everybody, today I'll be showing you how to create a basic FPS controller script inside of Unity. Sorry for the bad mic quality, uh, I'm just using my computer's one. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is want to insert a cube, and I guess we'll just call it floor, 10 by 10. And let's insert a capsule, I'm going to call this player. Then make sure the tag is player. Then we're going to drag the main character inside of the player and make sure the position is 0.60. So x0, y 0.6, z0. And then you want to insert a C# script. You want to call the script player movement. Then you want to open it up in Microsoft Visual Studio. Then you want to go to the description and you want to copy the script. So we'll do Control A and Control V. Then we'll do Control S. Then you can close Visual Studio Code. And then you want to go to Player. You want to drag the script. And as you can see, a character controller will be added. Then you can just customize your stuff here. So I'll just make the speed 5, the running speed like 7. And make sure you drag the main camera inside of the player camera. Then click play. And I just glitched through the floor. That's because I didn't drag it off. Okay, so as you can see, I can walk around, I can move my camera around, I can also sprint. So yeah, that's how you make a first-person controller inside of Unity. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed. See you guys later, bye.